Uni wi Muthenya wa Muthya wa Nzama ya Ukunikili wa Utimii wa Ilovia cia Mwenenthi Nthini wa Selikali cia Mitiuuko Bungeni ya Seneti Kunengane Livoti Mbungeni isu Mangavana miongo 26 Nimaleile Kuvika Mbee wa Nzama isu ya Cpac. Ona Kutw'ika Nzama ino Ninakulitye Inspekta Munene wa Volisi Kanja Kumuete Ngavana wa Ilovia Sakaja chavinya Nzama ino Kanja ndaneka kindu kila chalasmithia Nzama ino kumuthocha avike Mbee wayo Aelesye Niki Utanamwikia Mbini Sakaja ona itina wa kwithiwa vitie kana kama etae Mangavana alama uthisya Kuvika sikaloni cia Nzama ino mwaka mweu ena Livoti.
Mangavana miongo 3 Nimaleile Aelesye umilu wao no matumite Ilovia cia kaundila matongoesye kichumbuka kikaloni cha Nzama ya mbunge ya Seneti ya Kutw'ika Ukunikili Utimii wa Ilovia cia Mwenenthi Nzama ila itongwewe ni seneta wa kaundi ya Mbee Moses Kajwang. Maseneta maitelemia kuvitukithia mwia wa kumavata Mangavana alame olea Kunengane Livoti undu mathukumithitie Ilovia kaundi nisio.
Accountability is individual, because if you are given budget you don't account for, then why would the Senate actually process allocation of revenue? It's not right, and Kenyans are really suffering. Something has to be done.
What they are committing is economic genocide, and we cannot allow them to continue committing economic genocide. These resources belongs to all of us. Chair, there is a motion that we had proposed on the stoppage of funds to some of these entities, and I want to believe that these 30 counties who have failed to appear, when you move that motion of stoppage funds to counties, these counties must be prioritized, because we cannot give you money then you fail to account.
Mwenenthi wa Nzama ino Moses Kajwang ni wawetaka na kwa ila yake ili nime kumuthocha Inspekta Munene wa Volisi Kanja Aelesye Niki Utimii Utanamwikia Mbini Mangavana kuma kaundini ya Samburu na Ilovia ona Kutw'ika ni wathanie kumalasimithia Mangavana kuvika Mbee wa Nzama isu.
Nairobi, Governor Samburu, the Inspector General of Police had been requested by the Senate to produce them. The Inspector General of Police has failed to do so, despite making an assurance before this committee that all he needs is date, time and place. We have resolved that we'll invite the Inspector General of Police to explain why he has been unable to effect the resolution of the House, and also for us to deliberate on how to ensure that in future, when we give such directions, they are not directions that are in vain.
Maseneta ane mawetaka na Mangavana maiyulu wa miao nani wia wa Inspekta Munene wa Volisi kuthukuma wia wake undu wevitie kwikalila wathungulula wa Mbungeni isu ya Seneti ailika mwanyani wake te Inspekta wa Volisi.
The Inspector General of Police was vetted by a committee of both houses, and so he is still accountable to the people, he is still accountable to Parliament, and so we hope that he's going to take seriously directions and resolutions coming from the Senate.
So, Chair, the non-presentation of arrest of the two governors, the governor of Samburu and the governor of Nairobi, is very unfortunate, unless the IG is telling this country governors are above the law, the two governors. If he can come and tell us Governor Sakaja and Governor Elite are above the law, then we allow the people, then it will be a mockery.
Livoti ya vilingi wa movoni toa mwaka mweu.